This YouTube channel skyrocketed to nearly 1 million subscribers by creating fun, educational videos for kids. And get this, according to Social Blade, it's pulling in up to $75,000 a month. Not kidding. That's spit out your coffee money. The craziest part, you can do it too, even faster, thanks to AI tools that feel like cheating but aren't. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step playbook to build your own channel that's fun, educational, and actually makes money. Quick heads up, this isn't a get-rich-by-yesterday scheme. It's about using creativity and effort to build something amazing. Ready? Let's go. The very first step in our creative process is generating a script, and for that, we're using ChatGPT. I began by asking it to list 5 of the most popular and recognizable farm animals. It quickly gave me a helpful list that included animals like cows, chickens, pigs, and more. Along with this list, it also shared interesting and fun facts about each animal, which was perfect for an engaging video. Once I had that basic information, I prompted ChatGPT again, this time asking it to write a full educational YouTube video script based on those animals and their facts. The script it generated was exactly what I needed, but to enhance it further, I gave one final prompt. I asked ChatGPT to include emotional elements, so the narration would sound more human and emotionally expressive. This makes a big difference, especially when you're using voice synthesis tools to generate narration later on. Next, it's time to bring the script to life using voiceovers. For this part of the process, I used a platform called ElevenLabs. It's an AI-powered content creation tool that offers features like text-to-speech conversion with high-quality, natural-sounding voices. Just visit their website and navigate to the text-to-speech section. There, you can choose from a variety of voices. I personally selected the voice name Samara, which is especially suited for storytelling and narration. One thing I really appreciate about ElevenLabs is its ability to include emotional tones, aliases, and even vocal effects, all of which help make the speech sound more realistic and dynamic. Once your script is ready, you simply paste each section into the tool, making sure each part is under 1,000 characters. Then, listen to the preview.
Hey there, little farmers. Welcome to Farm Fun Time. Today, we're going to meet the top 5 funniest and most awesome animals on the farm. And I've got some seriously silly...
If it sounds good to you, go ahead and download the audio. You'll want to repeat this process for every scene or section of your script, so that later, syncing audio with visuals becomes smooth and efficient. With the voiceovers ready, the next step is to design the visuals for your scenes. For that, I turned to an AI image generation tool called Tensor.art. It's easy to use, completely free, and quite effective for creating custom images. I used it to generate a set of farm-themed images that match the content of our script. Everything from open pastures to close-ups of the animals we're discussing. Now, since this is going to be a YouTube video, we need all our images to fit a 16:9 aspect ratio. To do this, I used Canva. Inside Canva, you simply create a blank page using custom dimensions, in this case, 16 inches wide by 9 inches tall. Upload your AI-generated image and resize it to fill the frame properly. If your image already has this aspect ratio, you can skip resizing. Once you're satisfied, export each image as a PNG file so they're ready for animation. To animate these static farm images, I used RunwayML, another powerful AI tool. Go to RunwayML.com, click on the plus icon to start a new project, and log in using any of your accounts. Once inside, upload your image by clicking the plus icon again. Then, in the prompt box, describe how you'd like your image to move. I kept it simple with a prompt like "bring this image to life." After a few seconds, the tool generates an animated version of your image, turning it from a still frame into a lively, moving scene. Download the video and repeat this step for the rest of your farm-themed images. Now that all your animated scenes are ready, it's time to introduce a host, a character who will speak directly to viewers and guide them through the video. For this, we'll use Adobe Express's animated character tool. Head to their website and click on Create Animation to get started. First, choose a host character. They offer a variety of avatars. I picked a cute bear for a friendly and approachable vibe. For the background, make sure to choose a green screen color. I'll explain why this is important shortly. Next, set the video dimensions to YouTube landscape to ensure it fits your project. Now, upload your VoiceOver audio file by clicking on the Browse button. Once everything is uploaded, Adobe Express will generate a full avatar video featuring your chosen character speaking your script. Download that file when it's ready. You'll want to repeat this for each part of your VoiceOver script to match your animated scenes. At this point, you should have all the core elements needed: animated farm scenes, voiceovers for each animal or section, and a talking host avatar. Now let's bring it all together using CapCut, which is a free and intuitive video editing platform. Create a new project and begin importing all your assets: animated videos, voiceovers, avatar clips, background music, and sound effects. Start by dragging all the host videos to the timeline. Then, find the points where the host transitions from one animal to the next. These will be your scene change markers. Now, insert the corresponding farm animation clips at those points. Since each animated video is just 5 seconds long, you'll want to slow them down to 0.5 times speed for a smoother playback. Duplicate each clip, place it right after the original, and apply the reverse effect. This method helps extend the video length while keeping movement continuous and natural. Next, use the chroma key tool to remove the green background from your avatar video. That's why we selected green earlier. Once the background is gone, position your host character in the lower right corner of the frame, just like a traditional narrator would appear in an explainer video. Repeat this same process for all your scenes. You can also enhance the final product by adding transitions, sound effects, animal sounds, subtitles, and other visual elements to make the video more engaging and polished.
Hey there, little farmers. Welcome to Farm Fun Time. Today, we're going to meet the top 5 funniest and most awesome animals on the farm, and I've got some seriously silly facts to share. Are you ready? Let's go! First up, it's the cow. Cows are big, gentle, and love to chew. A lot. Did you know a cow has 4 stomachs? That's right, 4. It's like a food party that never ends. And get this, cows actually have best friends, and they get sad when they're apart. Aww, moo BFFs forever. Oh, and here's a weird one. Cows can't walk downstairs. Yeah, they just can't do it. Stairs are their greatest enemy. Next up, the fabulous chicken. Chickens may look small, but they are totally fierce. They're actually related to the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Yep, that giant.
And finally, when your entire video is assembled, polished, and ready to go, it's time to upload it to your YouTube channel. Don't forget, consistency is key. The more content you create, the more you'll improve, and the better your chances of growing your audience and turning your creativity into a source of income. So that wraps up everything from my side. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know in the comments what you like the most and if there are any parts you think I can improve. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.